Welcome back to Poetry and Police. Today is Mother's Day, and from Poetry and Police, I wish all the mothers in the world a happy Mother's Day. And all my subscribers who are mothers today, I wish you have the most beautiful day in your life. I hope you are loved and cherished for the people you are. And as a result of that, there's a video going around circulating with the Superintendent of Police from the St. Andrew South Division, who has taken the time out to wish all the mothers that he can come in contact with today a happy Mother's Day and to show their appreciation on behalf of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Superintendent, I am elated. I am very proud of you. The Commissioner of Police also did something for the mothers in Jamaica, and of that I'm also proud. Now, watch as the Superintendent continues.
Gordener, Assistant Superintendent of Police, in charge of Zone 3 within the St. Andrew South Division. Now on this special Mother's Day morning, we are launching an initiative to honor our mothers. We know the dedication and what it takes to really support children. This morning, we're along Washington Boulevard, where we intend to launch our initiative by handing out tokens of our appreciation. So we will be looking for unsuspecting mothers to apprehend them for the good job that they're doing. So join us today as we embark on this mission. Happy Mother's Day. Remember, keep on that seatbelt.
No, they always have to wear the seatbelt in my car.
This is a good thing. Thank you. Can I hold you?
Superintendent Gordener, my hat's off to you today, my friend. You have shown the St. Andrew South Division and also the people of Jamaica that there's a softer side to the police. You have shown that the police have a heart, and you have shown that the police is not just out on the street to give tickets, make arrests, and disturb people going about their business as usual, but rather the police knows how to appreciate the citizens of Jamaica, especially the mothers of Jamaica. And this, my friend, I have lifted my hat off to you, Dominic Gordener. I was a member of the Hunts Bay staff. I have never seen this done before in my 22 years of service. And for this, I said it's something new, and it's a way forward for the Jamaica Constabulary Force. The Commissioner must be proud. Jamaica is proud. I am proud. I am proud that I have served the Jamaica Constabulary Force when I see good deeds like this. And no good deed should go unnoticed. Superintendent Gordener, the St. Andrew South Division, again, my hat's off to you, sir. You have done well. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers in Jamaica. Happy Mother's Day to the mothers of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Happy Mother's Day to all my subscribers. Happy Mother's Day to all the women around the world who are mothers.